Well, good morning, YouTube. It's here. It made it. We had a hiccup at the Lowe's when we went to get it. They well, it was kind of both of our faults, but we loaded up all the 2x6s. Gee, that's really dark. We loaded up all the 2x6s, and I got about a mile down the road and realized that they gave me 10-foot 2x6s instead of 12-foot, which frustrated me. So we went back. We told them just to take it out and deliver the new stuff. So it's been a couple days, but it's here. It's all correct. So we'll get to work.
I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still.
So what I'm doing is I'm getting that seal plate up there, and I'm figuring out where the anchor bolts go up through it, and then I'm drilling them and putting them on.
I had to let go, oh, 'cause something's broken, and I'm the reason. It's not that easy, knowing you'll do better without me, without me, without me.
Good morning. This is day 2. We put the seal plates almost on 3 sides. Let me turn you around so you can see that. So hang on. So we got from that side, we got it all the way to there, and we have one more. And the back side, we did back side all the way to the corner, around this way. So some of you might be asking, Damien, why 2 sill plates? Well, finished floor is 15 inches from the block, so I have to have two sill plates, which is 3 inches. Then I have to have the 2x12s, which is 11 1/4, plus the 3/4 inch plywood gives me 15 inches. So that is why I had to have 2 sill plates, which is fine. We'll run the plywood straight down to the brick, or the OSB, whatever it may be. So anyways, I'm gonna get to work. We'll put you on time lapse, and I'll go to work. All right, stay tuned.
Knowing you'll do better without me, without me.
Well, guys and gals, I screwed up. I don't know what happened. Finished floor is not where finished floor is really at. Let me turn you around so you can see. So let me zoom you in. So the scribbly mark there was what I went off of. The green mark is actual finished floor. So instead of the 2x12s sitting on top of my sill plates, I don't know. I think we're going to have to I think what I'm going to do, it's an older house, it's not level. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to notch out the 2x12s and set them on top both of the sill plates, because if you take the sill plate, one of them off, then I'll be relying on everything in the whole house to be perfectly level, which it's not. It's far from that. That's why we're wanting to straighten the floors in the main section there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the laser level, and I'm just going to measure up to the level, to the line, and cut each and every one of them. So that way we know that the end result of finished floor will be where we need it to be at. I mean, if you take some measurements from that side to this side, it's like a 1/2 inch difference. So that means the floor will be a 1/2 inch difference. And I don't want that. The best way I think that we can do it is just to measure up to the line, cut it, and go from there. So that's what we're doing. Wish us luck.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you.
Good morning, good morning. This is day 3 and I've been busy. Let me show you. So we got the other side up. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to start working on the beam that goes from that side here to this side here, and then Lowe's was out of the adjustable poles that I was going to support it in the middle with, so I guess I can use some 4x4s and for temporary, and yeah, we'll start getting that in there, and once we get that, we could start laying some joists across, do like a template. Stay tuned. I'll put you on time lapse so you guys can see what's going on. Alright guys, well, we're done with it. I forgot I turned the GoPro off and didn't turn it back on, but we got the beam done. Let me turn you around so you can see it, and I'll explain to you what I did. So here's the notch that I was going to tell you. I told you that we would have to do, would notch it out so it sits on there. But what I did is I got 2x12, 3/4 inch plywood, 2x12, 3/4 inch plywood, 2x12, and by that long. And I'm not saying that this is the right way to do it. I'm not a professional. This is the way I'm doing it. So this is what's going to go in the middle there, and then my other 2x12s will sit on the sill plate and sit on joist hangers on this one, and this will be supported in the middle and the ends. So not sure how I'm going to get it up, up here, it's pretty heavy. It should be entertaining anyways for you guys. All right, I'm gonna go eat lunch.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know. House brings out the wildness. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo. House brings out the wildness. I got a little crush on you. You say that I'm crazy. It's just the way that I get every time that I am with you. Your laughter takes me to heaven. I just wanna make you repeat it and repeat it again. Yeah, you make the sky so blue. No, nothing's complicated with